Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to add double-digit numbers with regrouping using two methods other than the traditional method. The first method we are going to use is called partial sums. Partial sums, like the name implies, means that we are using part sums. So we are taking a number and we are decomposing it to make it easier for us to add. So the first number that we're going to be adding is 74 plus 39. And what you should be noticing is that in this particular problem, we have to regroup the number that's in the ones place. So therefore, this particular method is going to be very helpful. So with partial sums, the first thing we have to do is we have to take our numbers and we have to decompose them or break them down into two easier numbers. So the 74 is going to become 70, or 7 tens, plus 4 ones. 70 plus 4 is 74. The next number, 39, is going to become 3 tens, or 30, and 9 ones. So what you'll notice right here is that we cannot leave it like this. We have to add the ones and then add the tens. So looking at the ones place first, we have 9 ones plus 4 ones, which equals 13 ones. And then going into the tens place, we have 70, or 7 tens, plus 30, or 3 tens, gives us 100, or 10 tens. So looking at this number now, we can see that 100 plus 13 is going to be 113. So this is one method that we can use to add double-digit numbers with regrouping. The next method I'm going to show you is a little bit different and can be used for addition and subtraction. This method is called the open number line. And we call it an open number line because it's open, meaning that we can start it and stop it in any place that we want. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually create our open number line right here. And it's open, as you can see, because it has arrows on both sides. And we're going to use the same number that we were adding on the top, just so you can see the different ways that you can add this number. So we have 74 and 39. So what we're trying to find out is if we start at 74 and we add 39 more, what are we going to end up with? So that being said, we need to start down here on our open number line with the number 74. And we're going to take this number and decompose it similar to up at the top when we use our open number line. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the number that's in the tens place. And we have 3. So 3 tens is 30. So we're going to add 30 to this particular number. And if you don't know what 74 plus 30 is, we can use 3 different tens. And that's what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to break it down to 3 tens. I'm going to do 1 10, 2 tens, and 3 tens. So inside my little hops here, I'm going to add the tens that I moved. So 74 plus 10 is 84. 84 plus 10 is 94. And 94 plus 10 is 104. So this is what I'm breaking it down a little bit. So I've already added my 10, so I'm going to cross that off. Now I'm going into my ones. So I have 9 ones. Now I can do 104 plus 9, but that might require me to do some work up in the corner right here. So I'm going to try to make a 10 first to make it easier for me to add. So I know that 104 plus 6 is 110. So I'm going to add 6 ones. Therefore, breaking this 9 down into 6 plus 3. 104 plus 6 is 110. And then I'm going to add 3 more. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And that 110 plus 3 is 113. So I've added all my ones. So 74 plus 3 tens and 9 ones gives me 113. So that's 2 different ways that you can add a double-digit number with regrouping without using the traditional method.